Disabling two-factor authentication on Apple Music can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple device. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and security settings. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This will take you to your account information. Step 3. Select Password and Security. In the Apple ID settings, find and tap on Password and Security. This section contains options related to your account security features. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. If it is enabled, tap on it and follow the prompts to disable it. Note that you may need to answer security questions or provide verification. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure that your settings are saved. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been turned off. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled for your Apple Music account. Remember that this may reduce the security of your account, so proceed with caution.